taking the mentality, using the physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality. Through nature, the creator, creature, the maker, remain visible, the truth educating the youth to be fruitful in a vegetative mind, staying rooted in the vine, artificial to beneficial. We let the light shine. It's the Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden.
What's going on, my beautiful treeple? We are live right now in my backyard. I invite you to join me every berry as we take a quick plant venture and share with you something special on what's growing on today. Join me. All right, everybody, getting my hair stuck. We're hunting for dinosaur eggs out here. Man, see me down here? Oh, it's crazy. Trying to find stuff. There's passion fruit everywhere. I got some of these in the little tie bags. Oh, we don't want it to get away. He's trying to get away. Oh, they're bag ripped. Let's get this out of here. Oh, there we go. Oh, 2 for the price of 1, buddy. And a little spider just came out. Oh. 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 Oh, my hair. There's probably like so many bugs about to fall out. Look at that. I don't know how long these have been sitting in here. This bag is all messed up. It's all right, we got plenty more. Woo! Look at the color on that. I'm telling you, these things are everywhere. It's like Easter egg hunting. Oh, it's another glorious one right there. There's so many of them. They're just hanging everywhere. Look at that. Bam. Oh my gosh. And there's another one. Like, I can't even find all these things. You guys see that right there? That one looks like it's ready. Looks like it's been disconnected. Yes, it has. Whoa! It's awesome. Wow. Abundance is real, and abundance is promised in the garden. Oh, we got some more grapes down here. There goes grapes. Whoa. This is exciting. I need to prune this passion fruit so that I can see things, as well as use the leaves, which you can use to use in a tea. You can eat them raw actually, but passion fruit leaves and flowers. And there goes one right there. Wow. Make that B-roll. can be used for sleeping disorders like insomnia. Oh, I see another one right here. I'm always nervous that something's gonna bite me. Wow, there's so many. Every year, every season, it seems like passion fruit multiplies. If you guys want to grow food that's really easy to grow, I recommend passion fruit as a number one. All right, my neighbor's looking at me from above. I recommend passion fruit as number one, and you will get serious abundance. Like, there's so many. We have bowls of these things inside, but you can see how this is just taking over. It's everywhere. This isn't the exciting news though. This is not the exciting news. And I see grapes coming back after the possums ate our grapes before, but still, we're gonna always share, have some food for nature and its creatures, as well as for ourselves. I want to bring you on to the exciting news. Get ready, join me. Very so, we are live right now in my backyard food forest. You can see the beautiful wonders of nature and those beautiful plumerias. Ooh, the smell. I believe this is a celandine variety. We got all kinds of crazy things. Whoa, look at that. Burgundy okra. Man, I have a Louisiana 12-inch okra. I'm going to show you guys later. It is 12 inches and it's edible. I'm letting one of them go to seed, but they get up to 12 inches. They get a foot long okra and it's edible. Oh, it's a Louisiana variety. We're gonna share that. But first, let's go through this cat's claw, which looks pretty crazy. Cat's claw repairs DNA, as well as like over 70 other benefits. Going through this pomegranate. Oh, I'm getting clipped on. Oh, I'm getting poked by everything. We got dragon fruit down here, and acorn squash is a growing, and it is a showing. Everything looks to be thriving right now. It's hard to find things. Whoa, lots of kumquats coming out. We got papayas, we got chili pekins everywhere. Look at all them chili pekins, all the little orange peppers. Whoa, some of them are drying because I can't eat them all. But there's so many, they're so bomb. Dwarf Hawaiian starfruit is starting to produce more fruit. You guys see down there? Let me get down in there for you. We just had a few. Tastes like Gatorade. Whoa! There's too many vines all over the place. Radish flowers. Got lemongrass. We got fig trees. We got everything. We got fennel seeds that are growing. We got amaranth seeds that are getting ready to come out. See the beautiful amaranth greens. We got Chinese noodle beans coming out again. I thought they died. There's so many things out here. It is insane. I can hear the birds singing. Oh yeah, sing me a song. There goes a lovely jumping spider. Wow, look at that nature. Beautiful. On this huge papaya. You can see the papayas coming out. This is in the ground. Beautiful. We got figs, we got flax seeds. Here's some flax seeds right here. Let's go ahead and open this for you. Let's see what we got. You can kind of see some of them a little bit, maybe. Not really. Actually, these are gone to like, they've like really gone past their prime. I haven't been out here to pick all the flax seeds. Beautiful honey gold jackfruit is doing well. Hoping in a few years we'll have some jackfruit. We got blue turmeric or black turmeric, red turmerics, yellow turmerics, regular turmerics. I just ate a Barbie pink guava, which was so bomb. This rambutan is growing. We got to get this in the ground. We got a soursop hiding behind there. Oh, what you doing over there, man? You're over there hiding. We got our ant pro stations, which are working for these, to get rid of these ants. Hopefully they all get in there. Still got to keep pruning this lemon tree. We've been pruning it well, and new growth is coming out quickly. We got lemons on the floor over there in pots and everywhere. Jalapenos. Whoa, look at that. This is a Vietnamese giant guava, so first time fruiting. They're not going to be as giant, and they're being contained right now. My miracle fruit is doing nice. Here's another turmeric. Here's a ginger, which is doing very lovely. Looks like this little guava is almost ripe. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? I am so excited right now. I want to share this with you. Join me right now. This is so awesome. Before we do that, we see it's another variety, B10 star fruit. This is what I'm excited about. This is the very first banana that I planted, and I planted it in a container. And as we make our way up, oh my goodness, what do you see? We see this cone shape right here, which looks to be the banana bulb, the banana flower that will emerge. And you know, because you see a flag leaf. Wow, it's my first time seeing that. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's my first experience seeing this live. So I want to share this with you guys, as well as educate you guys while I'm educating myself. Oh man, look at all these jalapenos we gotta pick, make some salsa. So, what I've noticed is when we have the bananas growing, of course we have our huge leaves. Look at that leaf right there. I pruned off a lot of leaves, but look at that leaf. That's a nice big leaf. There's another nice long leaf there. And right here we see another long leaf. What you'll notice is there will be shorter leaves. So how you know you're getting bananas? There will be shorter leaves. Look at this leaf. It's not as long. And then on the other side, this leaf right here, you'll notice is not as long as this one. So let's take a good look at that. As we see the difference in the size. So once those shorter leaves start to emerge, that tells you the flag leaf has got to come next. And as we see right now, behold the flag leaf. Wow. And then it's followed by the flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, look at that. We're gonna come around the other side and try to get by this giant starfruit. Oh, I'm falling over. And we got lemons. That's one that fell. Looked like it's been out here for a while, but we could wash these off. Whoa, look at the size of that one. We got any more? It's like as I find another one, they just get bigger and bigger. Look at that. Went from small to a medium to whoa mama. All right, a lot of new growth coming out of this lemon. We got to still prune up there, a lot of dead growth, but anyways, we're gonna get another shot right here. You can see on this angle this leaf is shorter, and then that leaf is longer. That's what you want to look for. Oh, nice little cluster of starfruit right there with more flowers emerging. So that is what you want to look for, guys. Isn't that exciting? So anyone growing bananas or want to grow bananas, that is the best way to know, by looking at the shorter leaves emerge, followed by the flag leaf, then the flower. Hope this helps someone, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Chris Nuno, signing off Afroganic style, encouraging everyone in every way to grow big and grow home.